Today we're going to be learning how to make this lovely lacy stitch. You guys, I feel like if you are subscribed to my channel, you're already enjoying, because I'm giving you lovely stitches that you can use for unique projects all through 2024. Okay, we're going to be looking at this nice lacy stitch in today's video. It is reversible, and remember, when I say a crochet stitch is reversible, it means that it looks exactly the same on the right side and on the wrong side. That is what we mean when we say a crochet stitch is reversible. So get your crochet hook, get your yarn, and let us make this swatch together. Okay, remember that we're going to be using all of the swatches that we make in this A Stitch a Day series. We're going to be using everything to do something fun at the end of December. So let's begin. To begin this stitch, we're going to chain a multiple of 11 plus 3, and for the sake of my swatch, I am going to chain 25. 22 is a multiple of 11, and when we add 3 to that, I arrive at 25. Okay, we're going to do a double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4 here, chain 3, skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 3 chains and do a double crochet in the next. Now do a double crochet in the next 3 chains, so 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains, so that you have 4 double crochets there in total, like this. This is 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we're going to repeat the chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next, skip 3 chains, chain 3, skip 3 chains and do a double crochet, and then a double crochet in the last chain. So this is row 1. Now to move on to row 2, this is a very easy stitch, by the way. Chain 3 and turn. Now work a double crochet in the next stitch like this, chain 3, single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3. Now work a double crochet on top of each of the 4 double crochets from the previous row. Then chain 3, single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, and work a double crochet on top of each of the 2 double crochets there that we did at the beginning of the previous row. And this is the end of our row 2. To do row 3, this is the last row for what we're going to be repeating. We chain 3 and turn. Now double crochet on top of the next double crochet. Then in this chain 4 space, this is a chain 3 space, but in the chain 4 space, that's where we're going to do 7 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochets. Okay, now we're going to do 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet on top of each of these 4 double crochets that we did in the previous row. Right, then we come to the chain 4 space again. Don't do anything in the chain 3 space. In the chain 4 space, we work 7 double crochets. And to finish up the row, we're just going to work 2 double crochets. one double crochet on top of each of these last two double crochets. Okay, and with that we have come to the end of row 3. So this is a very easy stitch in that we're just going to be repeating the instructions from row 1 to row 3 till we get our desired length. I'm going to repeat row 1 with you again so you know exactly how to go about it. We start by chaining 3. This chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, by the way. Then we work a double crochet in this next double crochet. Then chain 3, skip 3 double crochets and work a single crochet in the 4th double crochet. Chain 3. Now work a double crochet on top of each of these 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 3, skip 3 double crochets and work a single crochet in the 4th double crochet. Chain 3, then work a double crochet on top of each of the last 2 double crochets there. And with that, we've come to the end of row 4. So from here on, you're just going to repeat everything from rows 2 to rows 4. Okay, like what I mean is now you do what we did in row 2 is what you're going to do next. Then you do what we did in row 3. Then you go back, do what we did in row 1, do what we did in row 2, what we did in row 3. That's how you're going to continue till you get your desired length. I hope you, of course, found this tutorial helpful. So go ahead, do your own swatch, keep it, and wait for what we're going to use everything for at the end of December.